Hi everyone, let's talk about how to make a lot of money with some US stocks. We had a phenomenal week. There are stocks that are ready to explode, but first, let me put you through one stock that we had that printed us good money. This particular stock, Palantir, had it around $120. Can you see this move? 179. 179 from 120, almost a $60 profit on one share. Imagine if you had 10 shares. Imagine if you had 20 shares. $1,200. Oh my God. This is how you make money in the US stock market. So, of course, the US stock market is a little bit more volatile than the Nigerian stock market. So, it requires a lot of understanding, technique, strategy, and knowledge. So, I'm just letting you know. Just let me know in the comment section if you made some money with Palantir. If you did not make money with Palantir, don't worry. I'm going to give you a stock you can actually buy that will make you a similar amount of money. Trust me. One thing I love to do is to give out free information once in a while. And I honestly consider that this time I have to do one. It's been a while. The last time I gave us APLD at $9, APLD ran to $40. Some people wrote it in the comment section and told me, thank you for helping them make money. That was awesome. So today, I'm going to put you through this particular stock, Palantir, because this stock personally has made me, the last 1 year, it has made me money 3 times. And I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, that is one of the strategies I use. But let me know if you made money from Palantir. If you actually had Palantir in your portfolio, I definitely would love, love, love to know about that. So let's get started. One of the things I want you to do, especially when it comes to the US stock market, honestly, is first of all, find your winners. You find your winners because if you find your winner, it will continue to produce for you. It will continue to produce for you. One of my favorite strategies in the stock market is pull back. Now, pull back can always work in your favor or work completely against you. So I want to pull up this chart. I want to make it bigger so that you would see what I want to do. And I'm going to take it up until the weekly chart. Now, this is Palantir. This was 2025. We had Palantir around $40. The first set of people that was in my community, they were in my community. We had Palantir at $40 and Palantir ran to $125, even though we took profit at 100 because I felt like at that point we had made over 100%. And this same stock pulled back. So, like I said, one of my favorite strategies in the stock market is pull back. And like I said, pick your winners. Just watch this video. You're going to learn a lot. This stock pulled back from 125. We took our profit at 120, and this stock dropped as low as 67, but we bought it around 75. When it got to 75, that was when we started buying, and it had this massive pull from 75 to where this first point, 187. And what do? We took profit at 180. It had a pullback to 144. Not everybody bought this one. This was the third time that it had a pullback from 180 to 140. So some people jumped on the offer, especially those people who missed this run. Some people actually jumped on this offer. And from 145, we landed at 200. And since then, we have been having this lower high, lower high, lower high until we came as low as 106. But honestly, this is one stock that when we broke below 150, I told them, please start buying this stock. Be buying it little by little. We don't know how long this is going to last. And we started picking this stock until even 120. And then let me take us to the daily time frame. So this was 106, and then they had this massive leap from 108 up until 135, had a pullback to 120, and see this jump from 120 to 179. touch 179 yesterday. Can you see how one stock, when I said that if you pick a good winner, it will keep producing for you? This stock has given us money 3 to 4 times, depending on how many times you're able to jump on the offer. One single stock giving you money back and forth, back and forth. Now, one of the things that is painful is that you made a lot of money and you let your profit go. There were people who bought this stock, it got to 200. They were waiting for the stock to get to 500, and now the stock came as low as 106. And some of them that bought it probably bought it at 120, 130, 140, and now they are back to almost where one. But now that it has picked up, if you have this stock, it's good to take some profits. So there is money to be made. I just want you to know that no matter what's going on in the market, whether US stock market or Nigerian stock market, there is always a bull market somewhere. Anytime stocks are not doing well, there are a set of stocks that are doing well. Anytime some stocks are doing very, very well, there are some stocks that at that point they may not be doing very well. It happened to one of the stocks I gave to my private community members. Every other stock were doing well. This particular stock was not doing well. I just spotted the two of them. There were two of them, and two of them have done almost 100%. In fact, one has done more than 100%. The second one just hit 100%. Because you have to understand that it is the strategy you use that will make you to be successful in the stock market. So this is a very repeatable process because you have to find the right stocks. You really have to find the right stocks. You trust the process. Don't try getting rich overnight, right? Get rich with a strategy. If I was praying, I'd probably be worried, oh, I bought this stock since at 120 and this stock is still where it is. It has not really, really moved like that. The truth is that you have to understand the process. You have to have a strategy. If you want to hold a stock, you have to tell yourself, what is my plan of holding this stock? For how long am I going to hold this stock? What am I going to do if it goes against me or if it goes more? You have to have a plan for every investment that you want to buy and hold for 8 years or 10 years is fine. But there are points that you have to trim your profit and move it into another stock. Have you ever thought about having a stock you bought? The stock gives you 100%. You take your 100% out and you leave the profit to run. You take that 100%, that your capital, and put it into another stock that will give you 100%. You will see that if you repeat this thing, in 3 years' time, you can turn that money into a lot of money. That's one of the things I teach people in private community or during one-on-one sessions. So in case you really want to have a one-on-one session and you want to focus on your US stocks or even your Nigerian stocks, these are some of the things we're going to discuss when we look into the strategy that you're using to see if you're actually making money or if you're just investing and just looking on, because there must be a strategy you have to use. Protect your profits. Very, very important. That's one of the things I do. Protect your profits. Do not let your profits go and don't hold blindly. These are very important tips that I know are going to help you. Now, let me talk about one of the stocks that I want to put on your radar for you to keep an eye on. It is Intel. This particular stock was a stock that, honestly, I recommended this stock the first time when it was $26, around here, $26. And then this stock ran from $26 to $40 to $60, and then had this major leap when President Trump said they are going to be investing, that they're going to use a part of US money to invest in Intel and actually grow the company, because Intel used to do very well. Intel is the kind of company that originally used to compete with AMD and TSM, because these ones are the two pillars when it comes to AI infrastructure build out. And for some reason, they lost it. And Trump actually practically revived this company. And look at this massive move. Imagine jumping at this offer at 27 or even 30 when I gave that first call out, and this stock ran to 142. You would have tripled your money. And look at this pullback. Look at this beautiful pullback from 142. It came as low as $82, and now it's around $97. So Imagine getting this stock in now and you ride it all the way to the previous all-time high. That is over 40%. You're almost chasing a 50% return on this particular stock. You must understand that, first of all, I love it because it's a strategic US foundry positioning. Like I said, the US government is heavily investing so that they will become a major semiconductor foundry company, like a manufacturing chip. Do you understand? So they want them to serve as a cornerstone of Western efforts for microchip production. And secondly, they have gone into good alliances. They have gone into partnership with Google, Nvidia, and Tesla. Can you see that this type of partnership is going to help this company? So customers and deals and orders are already there for them. And like I said, they reported their earnings and their earnings growth estimate was a turnaround because um, they actually doubled their revenue estimate, and that was really nice. So for me, the only downside to this stock is that because is influenced heavily by the US government, the question is, because it's a Trump thing, when Trump is leaving office, what's going to happen? So you have to have a plan on this particular stock, on what to do, how long you're going to hold it. But I just gave you a target of a 50% that you can make off this particular stock, which can happen in a short period of time. Now, the second one I'm going to mention quickly is Google. I'm putting Google up on your radar because this is a stock that has been doing so well. We had this stock when it was around 280. Actually, we had it even before 280. There was a time this stock was around 220. We had it at 220. That was last year. And this stock ran from 220 to 300 and to $400, giving us almost 100%. So if you missed that one, this could be another good opportunity, even though it dropped as low as 316. But right now it's around 355. Is another good opportunity. You can ride it. This is a stock you can hold for a very long term, because for me, this one is like a matured high margin compounder. Their balance sheet is beautiful, and they center on monetization across digital advertising, cloud infrastructure, and artificial intelligence. So if you own a YouTube channel like this channel, you are watching my video on YouTube channel, you know that Google is your papa. And of course, Gmail and cloud services, they are doing so many things. Remember, there are people running ads on Google. There are people running ads on YouTube. So they have a dominant core engine. Their search engine optimization and YouTube digital advertising is giving them massive operational cash flow. So YouTube is also a high recurring revenue for them. I don't see an end to it. Everybody's jumping on YouTube right now. So those are the two stocks that you should keep under your radar. But if you want to get more detailed information, how to buy these stocks, lessons on updates on what you should do, where we are focusing more for more profit, consider joining our community. And of course, this video is for educational purposes. These stocks I mentioned, please do your own research. It will do you good. Do your own research. By the time you finish doing your research, you would see that you will now have a clearer and a better plan whether you should buy this stock or not. Very, very important. So I hope you learned something, and I hope that these two stocks I put, you're going to do some research on them. And when you've done the research, let me know, because I would like to know how much you're going to make. Of course, this video has made me happy because I know that you learned something interesting today. And if you use some of the things I gave as tips, you are going to make a lot of money from the stock market, especially the US stock market. So these two stocks are going to explode very soon. And if you bought them or you are going to buy them, you're going to make good money. So I'll see you in the next video.